Mwanchomo rigararia bwen Soko TV na gukwandire nande andonsi asore chinsa nisato chiabo no botuko karibu sana semesa ya mayakuru en Soko chinsa isato asobotuko bwega bwa gatano mutinyi oikomina kabiro mwaka bwechiri bubere mirongo bere na isano nchenkuru kwa Clinton Ndigi hasiri bagari abakombo atasobotuko bwarero gocha kwene kyabona murigine chibicha ngo gochirara asenjirengia togusabiro karansoike etokomanye kurbono goika omwerio. Tochaka norobotiro kubwatya nabune nchiremo hiyo ogoikirania heganga yokwenekia abantu nkuerike bare ebuna bakichikura sobonge imeye bunge abo basi county ya Kisii nigoritukoria rero hensemo ya abamenyi kurwa se bunge yo bakoragwa na Dr. Samuel Siringi baikirana ha busebaikia ebirangerero byabo byokugania abuna ekyombegeri kyo bachori nechimebe kya IEBC hase cyabisi cyabo ensemo ya Itumbe komente bito byogwakira chikura ukwana nabarikia mangana ningo bona bari yabo bagandira abantu hanemo no habasaye bekegoria geke wesokia asobonge na kubwata chikura nabo igoko basegeta basokie bake chikura se kiria nigo barachie kwene kya korenta amonchoria se obarai marikito Petwel machini nagotomanya senchere wikirana
tingaki mubaramoko against kwenekiwa abantu kwerike una bakichikura imebunge abo basi digoriti kuria rero ekyombe kyabamanyikuru asebunge iyo bakraonera Dr. Siringi Samuel basokire na kuiradio kodia abo gwekasyo bisi cyobo cyodine chimbebe imebunge iyo asense Itumbe eriko ni kyombe kyo komenta ebito byo wakachikura.
Today we've had a meeting with Bobasi electorates and professionals, and the issue of discussion was about polling centers in Bobasi. We are cognizant of the fact that Bobasi is one of the constituencies with the highest number of registered voters. In fact, it has 106,060 voters. But despite this fact, the number of polling centers are insufficient to assist all the voters who wish to register in the right time. We have commissioned a series of surveys and consultations that have led us to the fact that we need more than 25 polling centers that are new ahead of the general election in 2027. So in particular, today, we have been here to submit our proposals to the IBC office. We have just delivered a memorandum to the office to consider setting up of new polling centers.
Igati yebituo biria baganiti bimentwe ngamo nebiga.
Igituo gekorukwa Irongo kebe created. Igituo gekorukwa Nyagesa T-Buying Center kebe created. Naboigo gesureti buying center.
Chingo kichicho nigo babekreteneni unekyombe kekebotorine chimbe basebunge yo. Niokira chikutwara etaro erigo segeta basaye kwerikia sobonge erio babe abakichikura.
Mbate banga kogera chinamba cyabali bakubwata chikura chibe chinyinga sebo basi. Bate birenga mbate teko banga naende chimbero bobasi. Chimbere chibade birikira base epare wanzira Bishop Mugende baka Mutuntu nabade beringa mbabangite boja koleta chimbere ejo bona tokoteba mono ebijane bibiye bigori bike engaki ike goja mutumeke chance yo kubwata chikura nande mosoke muba bwatisi yagere chimbere chibe chingenjo mono.
Nanyana bo ekero mbaromoke bwa abasai na bwekeoria Gen Z oenekiwa asobochorio bokebwa eta nigobono abamanyabo banyako bakuburia abasai bwesokia sobonge ryo kwirike na bwo gwaka chikura na bwo gutike binyo byo tindia ekero bagwaka chikura.
Based on the results that we've seen, even we watch the queues, it's actually true that the youth are not turning out to vote in as high numbers as the elderly people. We therefore are starting a campaign, and I can tell you that the IBC and the politicians themselves must do everything they can to encourage the youth to not just register, but as well get out on the day of voting and vote for their leaders.
Banyari bakubwata chikura especially abasai baito tokuba encourage mono mubwate chikura erinde munyore torosie change eri muratakira tukonyasi sitoga igabo basi
ebijane bikonyonsi kwa marumara goba mambi mbikoboka bigenda kwa kachikura igo tafadhali tuteme kwa fuidia magana echichangana magana ya binto binde engagiye chikura twarengere ngaki na barai tutete gochora tigatobe serious asengenje genteke nagiye che giatokonya konyora barai bagatokorera gasingia
ngatwesokia sobonge erinde tweregister una voters ekero tweregistire naende ekero ritukorie chikura ligoika tosoka sobonge togenda twake chikura chito no marembe arafu nari torachora barai bari toganete batorae asense yaito ya Kenya gochaka alinse omorai uri inse kabisa pako morai igoro kabisa.
Kulipoterea Ensoko TV kuroiga sebunge ya Bobasi kaunti ya Kisii Chempetual Machine.
Demara murikito Pethuel Machini togosuka bosio mwancho murigaria MCA we ward ya township Muske Duke Masira niko bana tebire ngani ga baseneta bata korrete kene haso muswada bu kumurusia visio mu governor bu county ya Nyamira Muske Amos Nyaribo nagoteba buna hesabu ya babere goro ya isato nigo yekranete ka kwana samatanga haya mohime yomo ime amo chenwa hechiro enseme yo ward ya gesima ebunge ya Kitutu Masaba Duke niga tebire buna hemero video nebwente kurigerirwa na kuringorigwa asobo ime chinkwani cho channel bachi kwariga ni wano muri kito Steven Yeriki
insuye nabonaye tegabuya emechege tu abigite gaisa insuka ya chengene na tokaye bwani buni nyitwe ze kunyona na makoko busa ya gotere tokaye shuki chini umbuka tukuye shuki kira bachugi bayaro liringa yake minjamo yo kiringira ya bachugi batu tabana ni garingi ane bakaye bwani ono tugute ngeka buzire kusini ndani yangu nje to ni ndani meyeira miti Akina nje nabonta kete kupuringa abantu baminto mwe gumuna baseneta bari gukwana bakatanga bono li bagari yatukire bono tigango turo igwa mashtaka ebintu byabantu banyamira egabya senye ntiru kabakire kubigiri bakate baro na maene yakutubwene takonyora li bagari iseine turarigererie ebintu ebyo sobwe kitake kaibire gani kabate bangato abanense ya moto abona nishika kabakwira no korona bakababuna abantu bari bari kwagacho munaro pakari kero muntago kwani ruge ngao ikabona nturamanya buyanga into kiabete Nairobi munene ngani hatu wasiriranye bakabata maninsu yeito abantu bakancho ngo tebali kucha hapa kaba mbili tukasirirana tukatama ono poka lero naje kutumuruka kurumata ikasenta acha kubura ngatigante bya abantu baminto pole omo MC nyamaiya agasirete oyo nyanshongo ikabanganiga igabekere godio komoko agaseri bugojika oyo bwekerenya ka design agacha obo speaker bona ba MCA tole ororo tuarenge moyo etuarenge 32 tutadi ya 32 ile 21 lakini tukakachikura paka 23 Pone kintu yukanda maitinga abantu aba batagete uyo sereti kukuru nyanshongo tomoreta akekura amana kuirana oyo onye bwekerenyo oyo beiro mu speaker ara arushie go pio libo speaker acha kamno mo MCA anamana kuirana igura ariko verify uzoyo sire tu nyama yaga tware kwando to tomokori yesu tu igweto bogete na rasa abno abantu babere ntumanyite baboge nera gatware kwando tumutura aboke tuje tumato akire kura anamana kuirana ira nubuina bwaje Uzibono akisabu yino yaka boka Nairobi yali nkwaro kibako akaga bateba ngaro esegente kabanta abanyamira mbi yabale lakini ndege sengencho abachogi bakite mwaro kimuna bakite bakagwari muna masagiro abachogi baiturende bakakuwa na bije kakiru montagatane kintu kyanyamira kwa kirara nkitari ngankende gusema ali gusembonda ntakite kurusu musko mutengeri egente kamo gyoka ngosaba ekemo ekutirudi ninja rwitwe kotabanganya baro neru musko nande tabwati manga nande nabamisi tu achore to kiru nindu to muzitu nande to kebe kiru nindu akutururi nyeri nabako tabanga ebintu buno mupangilio onyamiro rimuna nayo kwa bande bako nakotana o nagosenga board kuze municipality chigaitiri board ntute yo tu approve bune assembly
Kurase county ya Nyamira mwanjo murigari atokore na se county ya Kisii hobasemia niko bano bwarure gochia sabasae baesokia sobonge herio bairike buna bakichikura ka okwana n'Ensoko TV niko bono Nyanusi Mwenga uyoro mwana siasa nendo monchorya kurase county ya Kisii anyare ko baga kurokobore gochia sabasae kumanya buna nabangi bare naende nabo baranyare korenta amonchorya asoborai boigo ni garuro koboria kuruchia sebare buna banyare ko babagwetanga kurase chisegi cha bana siasa
Matuka ya tuara menyire ga sense yega twabere to gukurera abasai baito nganinu ogosemeri kwa mambi lakini bona siye ikeire basai mbali gosemeri nabo bono tu ikeire bona abantu baro bogosemeri nabangina nabagaka esengenjo ekero tokorora registration yechikura bono iga buna chigendererete basae mbari ko register omonto okando ko register ikura no omonto go transfer oro omonto omonene n'abantu abanene bari batabwate chikura abagenda tokora registration namba y'abasae abo barabange bagoform about 60% of the population baragenda kubwata kura naende mbari tayari ase tokororera ng'a basae mbari tayari nechikura echiga chiage tuche mini poll echiga chipa elections basae baito igo baimoka bakagenda ase ebituo bireri bagabagwaka chikura basoka isiko barende chikura igo basoka babwata amatimo amagena nechinsara bachigoita abantu abasae onye batagete korete kerenga giokorete echange yense yega tiga bagenda babwate kura tiga batiga asira tiga batugo etama tiga batwale kerengere giokorete amabadiliko gwetere so gwake kura ekero baikeire kiwange kyonto chigotware gesaku kyomogusi gose gesaku gia Kenya kekoreta amaonjoreri ekiagera okugani ogusemeri gwensi pikorwa ase serikali korwa sabana siasa yokora sabasae abasae baito bebire nga nkige kogere mechandera asoborai kojakero so mu MCA kojakero so mujumbe senator governor pake se president ngobo kongwe bokoba asa abantu abangaini abaya babwate birengera liebiya lakini bataikogenda gwaka chikura
Mwancho murigeria chinkwana chae nyanusi mwenga chari ganigwa no murikito weekly forenge tugosuka bosio abatendere be kyama gya Kano kurwa sechi county au nigo bayesokire na kumusaba muraiwe kyama kyo Gideon Moi kurangaria aho kuumira na kwa bwango bunenchire mo yogo chago kwandira na kuringoria hemirobiria gendreta se kyama kyo ase baereire bono nigo ekyama kyo gitarekera no kuumira na hase egeka kyo gwetania emyaka ebere bakoragwa na Peter Tuva oyoro umuraiwe kyama gya Kano kurwa se county ya Machakos nigo bono baereire hegati emerobirio eria taranya rakobage kwenekyo wikira boniga egento kiabekire kyama kyo kobasa kongo kwegenderia semeroberio ya Botambe.
Na ningependa kuuliza chairman wetu, tumekaa sana muda mrefu bila hatujakutana, na hii chama ya KANU sio chama ya mchezo au chama ya kuchezewa au chama ya kununuliwa au chama ya kuingia kwa chama kingine ili imezwe. Ningeuliza chairman wetu, national chairman, tafadhali tuite machairman wote wa branch pamoja na secretary na treasurer wa kila branch, na tuko tayari kujilipia malipo yetu wenyewe bila kukusumbua au kuitisha pesa kutoka headquarters. Tujilipie gharama ya siku moja, tukutane na wewe, tukueleze mashida ambayo yako kwa branch. Maana kuna watu ambao wanataka kumaliza hii chama kwa ofisi yako. Sababu ambayo tunataka tukutane, hatujawahi kukutana kwa muda wa mwaka mzima. Wakati tulikutana mwaka jana karibu Januari, tulipendekeza mambo fulani ambayo yazungumzwe ni headquarters na branch. Na hiyo mambo kufikia mpaka wa leo hayajatimizwa. Kwanza kama branch yangu ya Machakos, nina mwaka mzima nikiandika mabarua, nikiuliza kila kitu, na nimetimiza wajibu ambao tulikubaliana na NEC, na sioni matunda yake kwa watu yangu. Ndio sababu hiyo kitu wa kwanza nataka kila branch iongee mashida yake. Mimi nimesema pendekezo ndio mwaka mzima hatujakutana, ambao 2 years, na ni chama, tunangoja nini?
Toska bosio mwancho murigeria ekiombe kyo gokora obotati ya Polytrack nigori tukoria rero kya bwatukire oroboti rwabo bisabana na se chiwizara au hasumwa ko yagabwe chirubere 25 Roboti oru nigo bono rokumurikira obokoreri bwa bobisa abo kubwatakana n'ebirengererio by'abananchi abo bakumurikira obokoreri bw'abamanyi nabo iga bakugenda emiroberio ya serikali kibobisi abakenya kiri bwisatu chimibere 55 noyomo kurwa chinsemo nigo baboretigwe amaborio na kubeka roboti oru koba igati ekiroboti chingikiranu hase okumurikira obokoreri bw'abarai hase emiroberio yabo murikito Julia Obuba hagotumanya senchero bikirana
Ekiombe kyo gakoro botuki gya Polytrack nigo rero kyabate kiroro botiro abobsa banene aschibizara au asomwaka bechiri bubere emerongebere netano.
Releasing its latest study, particularly looking on matters of the engine of the government in implementation that is within the office of the principal secretaries. Now, we were able to conduct a study that was able to assess the performance of these public officers and also the impact of their activities to the common mwananchi. Now, it is a study that is key, particularly noting that they do hold an integral part of the governance within
Oroboti oruo ni goro komorekera abakoreri bw'abobsa abo kubatikana n'ebirengerero by'abananchi abo bakomorekera abakoreri bw'abamanyi abo bakogenda emirobero ya serikali kebobisi. Abakenya kiri busatu 253 noyomo kura chinsemo au nigo baboretigwa amaborio na kubeka oroboti oruo kobegatie kiri boti chingikiranu asokomorekera abakoreri bw'abarai ase emirimo yabo.
We were able to sample 3,287 respondents in this particular study, but not only that, we were able also to apply a pillar form of breaking down the various necessities. And that's going straight to the piece that is before us. I'm going to look at the various pillars that we're able to address. Among them is the pillar of the core mandate, delivery, and operational excellence.
Julia Obuba, Ensoko TV.
Wanchumurigira soroboti oru ruaya Julia Obuba noto ikromo area sense megen tangani yamesema ya kurwa Ensoko chinsa isa totoskare togoso ase studio ya Kabere turasio mechidu kake korana na seka getari getambe na manga sense mo ya Kabere.
Eye n'Ensoko TV uboroso bw'umugusi ebagoteba ng'ogose komwelio nero gose kabuya maiga yokonyora mangana mange korwa segeteseni kia usigetegia Ensoko TV bonigo yakirenga kingo koleta nganya sai nigonda koletero murobili kurkunga amegelio yebebelia murobili nigonda olete amuna basomba banyasai abu astra ko batukwigira lingana sobwagale nantali yoka nonyora matera noena masabo noboroli ntunyale ko ba tukurwa ayankira lituko liye sabato liya bande bagotebanga Jumamos abande batebanga Saturday chinsa 12 chamambia ugweka chinsa ibere tomocha gekora nchumulisho ngaga nabasomba banyasaye ntokoletere umurubiri lesson seseni
tokuligereria lingana ligoteba
Ensoko ya masesenia na Pastor Nixon Matara.
Cast tie burdens upon who? The Lord. Ekere toko mosemenya sai ekatonie chinchera chyobo nyasaye nokonyora kulenga kia abantu ba nyasaye okonene baulaotabanga njena wenet kuno ikarasta ngwa wenet akipi oyesa atakwa
kirali tukule Jumamos chinsa isano na michambo baso gweka chinsa isano na ibere ichambo baso
baka oje great controversy ye esegiye yenene ere bakase chingoko ekabase chiombe ekaba bakase ese yasi burwenya role kumetinga wa
ime Ensoko TV
uchi gusaba kubolinga gusaba kuligwa saba ditwa chikoro muruibe Bara mliamwa chokanie.
Ekimamosi yeye igoro oyegeteni kenda basia y'abanyangongo eriso aseriso no mweteneri gwegosori yenkoyo omusubati igaudensia bosibori ontiri oyue olibiri lire eliebisero obyenkoyo imyarogongorwa Nairobi asokoba egati abasubati ababuye birimbi egiata enda basia y'abanyangongo nechigo kwerera teneni obugima bwaye igoika abeire egakwigeka obunyamasi bwaye asebisero obyenkoyo bono tomocha kubwata itariki inanche Daniel Omwaga unabotambe ebantona Erieta Suarez ekimamosi ye itariki isano nomo eyemo aseyemo imeyo mweroberio bw'ekigosori n'abanyangongo kuchakera egetone egw'echinsa isano na isato cha mugaso gw'ikengoli y'echinsa 10 cha maragoba gwemanye omuganoye egaudensia bosibori bw'ikeranu Ensoko TV aiga no korimia erango yao y'ekigosori egati y'abanyangongo ao
Omukubyo neritwo abagenwa abange kurwa chikansa bakumirana na komotogia omunene wetera amatera amansu ibibungo naboigo amarandia imegata seni Ensoko TV tochikumirana keraritwo rya Jumapili jakera chinsa 12 cha mambia weka chinsa inye zinyare komotogia munguru naboigo komoterera nanche Diana Ndemo imegata seni Ensoko TV.
Mungu amefanya, ni Mungu amefanya, sio mimi. Ni Mungu ametenda, ni Mungu ametenda, sio mimi. Ni Mungu amefanya, ni Mungu amefanya, hivi nilivyo mimi. Ni Mungu amefanya, sio mimi.
Ase miziki yabagaka eli abantu bakonga kongire chinengo chacha kiriko choga ya rumba
Momelia kenena poto akeleko yekola mama
naboigo nto kwiba basai ababakulwa jijenzi emisiki yakogenda bwange bwate chia talaku
oye museku nambi orikado momo oye mama Dangote
Etaliane Edwin Nyang'au Edwin mwana mboka nzube ya bololo tumerane kila litukulia Jumamosi kati ya saa 10 weka Ensa AM
Eye Ensoko TV uboroso bw'umugusi.
Mancho morigeria mbia mona soko gendera kubwatia hemiroberio hegendrete asembeo Ensoko TV na ndemona SMS igaya mayakuru Ensoko chinsa isatu na bono toko gendera bosio hukumanya haya agendrete kwene kiwa wasaine kiwa siritu kolia lero Nigo bono eserikali ye county ya Machakos yabekire emiroberio yokoenekia kwegenderia asensemo yogoikania obokoreri bore obuyago chiase abananchi ase ritukoria rero baenekia ogochakiwa no kuigorwa egwe board ya director ase chi municipality sato Mavoko, Machakos, Amona Kangundo ase bono mugavana bwe county yo ya Machakos Mheshimiwa Vinya Ndeti hatebire emiroberio yokoenekia abuna ebirengo byobogima bwa abananchi ase chinsemo chiri chia boses chinsemo ase county yo enji chiko imokereriwa igoro.
Today marks a truly momentous milestone for the county government of Machakos. We are gathered to witness the official inauguration of 3 distinct and critical governance bodies. These groups will serve as indispensable pillars in actualizing the vision and mandate of my administration. We have just formally inaugurated the board of our 3 municipalities, the Machakos County Rural and Urban Affordable Housing Committee, the Board of Directors of Machakos Water and Sanitation Company, PLC. We are not merely inaugurating a new board. We are officially ushering a new era, one defined by uncompromising accountability, maximize efficiency, and dignity in how we deliver one of our life's most essential resources, which is water. The County Rural and Urban Affordable Housing Committee will be the engine driving the implementation of vital housing programs, fostering strategic public-private partnership, executing effective slum upgrading initiatives, and formulating robust investment plans in the housing sector. Interest yangu ni kazi ifanyike Machakos. I have no other interest. I've given you the boards. Please, if it's the water companies, let us go and make the water company work professionally. It is not a personal property.
Toskabosio mwancho murigaria maragwensi akanya muske William Ruto nigo haumerana negati ya baraibande herikoba kirori hasukubekwa essay ase okorenta omorembe hegati hiense ya Rwanda na DRC yabera sokwane kese ya segeka kimya kemerongetato ase omuchi Washington ense area ya United States nigo bono okubekwa essay yoko kwenekiwa nigo bono muraibwense William Ruto atabire nigo kurache korenta omorembe na kwenekia obotweru asorgongo rwa Afrika ya mocha.
The compact we're signing today, which will be known as the Washington Accords, everybody sort of liked that name, formalizes the terms agreed to in June, including a permanent ceasefire, the disarmament of non-state forces, provisions for refugees to return to their homes, and justice and accountability for those who have committed illegal atrocities. Very importantly, this agreement also creates a new framework for economic prosperity. There's tremendous wealth in that beautiful earth. It's beautiful earth, but it was stained badly with blood, tremendous amounts of blood. But in the region that will support a lasting peace, and the Democratic Republic of the Congo and Rwanda have agreed to more closely integrate their economies with each other rather than fighting.
Our presence here, Mr. President, as regional leaders, is a testament of our collective resolve. We will spare no effort to ensure this agreement is fully realized, mobilizing every resource and partner to secure peace and unlock the region's immense economic promise. The protracted conflict on our continent continues to hold back Africa. Our current 3% share of global trade is stark evidence of how far this war has held us back. Today's signing of the Washington Peace Accord for Eastern DRC is not merely a monumental diplomatic milestone. It is a decisive act to end a devastating conflict that has scarred the region for decades. Mr. President, what you have achieved is not only transformative, it is consequential and historic.
Mwancho murigera somo yugo yoyo muraibwense William Ruto negatia bare kurwa sorongo rwa Afrika abanyarite ko baba kwariganirwa no muraibwense yo Donald Trump aso kwenekia ko bakirori aso kubekwa USA yokorento muremba senseme yo muraibwense Angola Joao Lorenzo bwense ya Burundi Evariste Ndayishimiye muraibwense ya Togo Faure Gangsigbe muraibwo mu bwa Afrika AU umunyakirogo Mohamed Ali Yusuf negati yababwatani kurwa sense ya Qatar no bo bwa United Arab Emirates nigo baba kirori aso kubekwa SAU asabara ibabere kurwa senseria ya Rwanda Paul Kagame na boigo hoyo mwabo kurwa senseria DRC Felix Tshisekedi barire lyo chokobeko mokya kwereke seyeyo echiko ikomweri.
We have seen countless mediations and efforts, but none has succeeded in resolving the underlying issues. President Trump introduced a new and effective dynamism that created the space for breakthroughs. His approach is even-handed, never taking sides. He orients us toward the future, not the past, emphasizing that the dividend of peace is prosperity and investment, including from the United States.
There's a time for despair and there's a time for hope. Today, we are experiencing a great day. We are looking forward to this agreement, which will give back hope to the peoples of Congo and of the sub-region. I would like to congratulate everybody involved who made this great day possible. We beg, we urge God to continue to guide us, to guide the steps of all people of goodwill who will become involved for its implementation. Committing oneself is something, but implementing is something else, which is why I call upon all of you, provide your contribution to actually implement this accord.
Mwancho murigaria chidagika mirongo itatu na isatu chia butukire igoro ichinsa isatu chia bono botuko no toikira omweri obwemesa ya mayakuru ensoko chinsa isatu ase hitukirigari juma obutuko bwa gatano umutinyi oikomena kabiro mwako yiga obwechiri bubere mirongo bere na isano nchenkuru kwa Clinton Ndigi ase ribaga ryabariki baito bamangana na boigo abambwate sekuru ase studio ya kabiro kwene kamera gine chipi chango chara senchirengia tokugandiro nyara ko bakugutwara obutuko buya na boigo kokendra kwegokya nemiroberio hegendrete ase embeo yensoko TV nyasaye kagwanja tuomerana na nderi tukuria ankyo litukuria sabato ase mesa ya mayakuru ensoko ensa eyamo na boigo chinsa isato wika chinga kecho nyasaye abende.
Thank you.